Hello guys, just a quick touch base one more time with you. We got some boxes in. You see all the stuff behind me. We finally got all the stuff for the interior of the Humvee. We got a pair of 10s, 4 6x5 mids, 4 titanium tweeds, crossovers, install kit, 3600 watt amp, overhead DVD player, game system. And that's what we'll be doing this weekend. We'll be creating a center console for the 210s and the amp to hide in. I believe the 6x5s are going to go up top overhead along with 2 tweeters. The other 6x5s and tweeters might go in the center console. They might go in the rear overhead console that I'm building. But that's where we're at. We're going to get all this stuff mounted in this weekend. I'll try to get some more videos of me doing some of that stuff, and yeah, check it out. It'll be cool, guys.